Hi everyone, this is Perry, again with the Hampton Network. I want to talk to you today about Legendary Market. I'm very excited to actually bring you information about this wonderful platform. I've actually been part of Legendary Marketer for about 5 or 6 months, and I can't even begin to tell you how much they've helped me start and grow my business and actually be successful with the business that I have online. So I kind of wanted to share this with you guys and also have something else exciting I want to share with you here as we, go through the platform and I kind of show you, how things will work if you decide to, if you want more information or if you want to, sign up and be part of this wonderful team. So basically, their mission is to help people start an online business or grow an existing business, using online and cutting edge marketing strategies. Okay. So basically all it is online market education that's delivered simply and with integrity. Now, the founder of Legendary Marketer, his name is David Sharp. He's a 9-year digital marketing veteran who has founded 3 multi-million-dollar companies from scratch. Okay. Also, he's generated over $250 million in sales and educated over 500,000 entrepreneurs worldwide. So this guy definitely knows what he's doing. It's also, like I said, a great company. I mean, you actually, you'll be assigned your own business advisor. I mean, you have access to coaches, and I'll be going over the 15-day online business builder challenge here in just a second. But I just can't say enough about this company and how much, they've actually helped me grow my business and how much they actually continue to help me. So if if you like me, if you wanted to be in a position to help a lot of people, on their own successful online businesses by actually you using your online business to help them, this is definitely the company that you'll want to check out. And also you get access to all of this to start for only $7. Now there's other products as you go along that you will have the choice, to pick up or purchase if you want to, but basically to do this challenge is, you can get started for only $7. I mean, this is actually very exciting. You're not going to find a more comprehensive training in online digital marketing strategies. I really don't think anywhere else. And I've actually, researched a bunch of companies in this space before I actually got started, and this one is by far the best. So we'll get to the free. Actually, it's a bonus. It's a free boot camp, a free 30-day free traffic content challenge boot camp. I'll be going over that shortly, but I want to kind of walk you through the 15-day challenge. So I just want to just briefly show you just day one. You see you have a video here to start. You have your assignments. You have to complete a quiz, a digital marketing assessment quiz, where your business plan advisor will go over the results with you on a one-on-one business plan call. So this is just day one, folks. So this will be the interface that you'll see once you sign up. So you see they have it broken down in assignments, and this interface is so beautifully designed. It's very easy to follow. And I've actually went through this 15-day challenge, and it was challenging. It's not anything where you're going to be able to get rich quick. This is nothing like that. This is where you actually have to put in the work and the effort, and they will teach you everything you need to know about, online business or any type of business. It doesn't matter which business niche you're in. This will apply to actually any business that you may have. So don't worry about that. But once you go in and do the challenge, you see it's just so many things for you to do. It's not very overwhelming because they break it down. You have each assignments, certain assignments rather, every day. So enough about that, and I'll leave links in the description below. So if you want to, like I said, get signed up, I'll leave the links for Legendary Marketer. I'll also leave the link for the boot camp. And speaking of the boot camp, let's talk about that real quick. Now, this is a free bonus boot camp. It's a 30-day traffic challenge. Okay. So let me go here to the resources real quick for the boot camp. Now, this is completely free. Okay. There is no cost for this. In the future, there will be a cost. So the boot camp actually started today. I'm actually going through this boot camp as we speak. So it's not too late for any of you guys to get in. You have up to the next probably 5 days or so to get in, and I'll leave the link to the bootcamp, like I said, below in the description. So as you can see here with the Bootcamp Resources, we have a Bootcamp calendar. Let me kind of show you the resources here real quick. This is a Bootcamp calendar. The launch webinar was actually yesterday, and you can also see that once you join the Facebook group that's associated with this bootcamp. So you're gonna get a daily video, excuse me, a daily video every day. You also at the halfway mark, there'll be another webinar, which will be on the 14th of October. Then I have another wrap-up webinar on the 31st. So the content infographic, this is very interesting. I want to kind of show you this as well. So they kind of show you, let me just zoom in here just a little bit. So this is the free Traffic Bootcamp calendar here. It's got each day here that's going to be involved. They got the daily rules. So basically, you'll be creating one piece of content daily for 30 days. The content must be new. Clearly, you can't copy or paste any old content. And you have to do a written legendary market review within the 30 days. And you also have to do one video legendary market review within the 30 days. Okay, so they always tell you, give you some other notes here. They also give you training on, different platforms. You don't need to create a blog or anything, and they kind of go over all of this in the actual training. So the content spreadsheet, this is very exciting. So I want to kind of show you this. So it's a content challenge that will allow you to pretty much get free traffic. And, traffic is, if you have a business, you're going to need traffic to help and sustain your business to make sales and get leads. So basically, they give you a content spreadsheet. So they give you examples of topic ideas. You can see I've already started this, and I already completed this one. But they give you topics. You don't have to use these. You can make up your own. And they tell you, it has to be the minimum length is 500 words. And the video portion, excuse me, is 5 minutes. The legendary market review video would be 10 minutes. So they give you all of this content, sample content rather than, topics that you can actually use to write about. So I think that's absolutely, amazing. So let me go to another exciting part of this boot camp. Let me go over the contest rules, or actually let me just really go into what you really want to know. What are the contests? They have prizes here that you can actually win once you sign up for the challenge and actually go through the challenge. So the grand prize is actually a trip for two with airfare and transportation, include to Cabo, Mexico with the leadership group. That's next April 29th through May 4th, okay? It's a beautiful all-inclusive resort and they'll pay for your lodging and food at this top Pueblo Bonita Pacifica resort. So you can Google that if you need to. And also they got these other great prizes. These prizes are worth tens of thousands of dollars. The masterminds, and the club memberships, the digital SLR cameras, just so many things you can win as part of this contest. So I'm really, really excited about this contest. And like I said, I'm actually going through this as we speak. And I will be going through the entire 30-day challenge. So once again, I would certainly like, if you like more info, I would highly encourage you to be a part of this. And like I said, I've been a part of this platform and this team of professionals for months now, and it has actually helped me tremendously, and it continues to do so with all the training they provide and all the access to coaches that you have. So I really can't talk enough about it, but I want to keep this video short, but I'll leave the links down in the description below. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, share this with your friends, click the notification bell so you can be notified of future videos. So I want to thank you guys for listening. So please, I hope you can all get in this contest. Like I said, you got up to about 5 days to do so. The boot camp is completely free. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And I certainly look forward to talking with you soon. Take care and have a good evening.